Guys, even the gold mining companies are now buying Bitcoin. You know, it's hilarious because a lot of the Bitcoin maxis out there obviously love Bitcoin, and then the gold miners out there, those gold bullion guys that have to have a gold coin in their hand, well, of course they love gold. But look what the gold mining companies are doing. They are now buying Bitcoin. We're going to talk a little bit about this because we've got some very good news going on in the cryptocurrency space today. A ceasefire between Iran and Israel causing prices to jump. Bitcoin sitting at 105,300. Very nice green candle over the last 24 hours. And now gold mining companies are, well, maybe we shouldn't mine for gold. Let's mine for Bitcoin. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro. Now, Panther Metals acquires first Bitcoin as part of a new investment strategy. We have gone over corporation after corporation, institution after institution buying Bitcoin. And this is just the next in a very long line. It says Panther Metals, a Canada-focused mineral exploration company, purchased, now this is just the start, 1 Bitcoin as part of its recently announced strategy to create an investment hedge between traditional assets and cryptocurrency, according to a company press release issued Tuesday. The company described the acquisition as the first in a series of Bitcoin purchases following the conversion of warrants. This move implements Panther's strategy announced on June 23rd, which aims to provide a hedge between the company's fiat currency-priced critical mineral and precious metals assets and digital cryptocurrency. Guys, even the gold mining companies are going out there, converting warrants so that they can get some cash, not to mine more gold, but to buy Bitcoin. If this isn't a sign that this is the main global focus right now, you know, they're not going out there and stacking dollars. They're not going out there and stacking gold. They're going out there and acquiring as much Bitcoin as they possibly can. Panther Metals is executing on a bold and innovative strategy. Yeah, bold. Nobody's done it before. To put ourselves as a true hedge between traditional fiat money markets and the rapidly evolving digital currency space, said Darren Hazelwood, Chief Executive Officer, in a statement. The company, which primarily focuses on mineral projects in Canada, indicated this purchase represents a shift in its investment approach, combining the resource-backed business with exposure to digital currencies. Now, of course, they're not going to tell you what price they got it at. It's got to be around $100,000, right? So regardless of that, what this means is we have got a very strong focus on Bitcoin. Institutions across the globe, big and small. This is a 1 Bitcoin investment, right? You can have individuals go out there and buy a Bitcoin. But this represents a major shift in companies' focus. They are now trying to acquire as much Bitcoin as possible. They are no longer focused on what their core competencies are. They're no longer focused on generating revenue. They're focused on how much Bitcoin they can acquire. They understand that Bitcoin is going to be the future. And because of that, I'm doing the same thing, right? I go out to the KSX exchange. Guys, got a link for it down in the description. And I accumulate Bitcoin. But I'm also going out there and I'm buying small tokens like Bitcoin Bull. Because I believe that Bitcoin is the future. Institutions believe that Bitcoin is the future. And one of the ways that I can get my hands on Bitcoin, as well as a token that should follow Bitcoin's price, is through Bitcoin Bull. Now, if you guys are interested in buying Bitcoin Bull, you get a link for it down in the description below. You're going to buy with crypto or buy with card and connect your wallet. After you scan that QR code, you simply type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. The current price is 0.258 cents. And this is the last chance to buy in the next 5 days and 19 hours. This ICO is going to be coming to an end. Now, one of my favorite ICOs because you get free Bitcoin. Think about this. Bitcoin hits 100,000, token sale began. Obviously, that's already happened. When Bitcoin hits 125,000, they're going to burn Bitcoin Bull tokens. 150, you get Bitcoin airdrop to your wallet. More burns, more airdrops, more burns, more airdrops, all the way up to $250,000 Bitcoin. Now, guys, there are two things you need to know. Number one, you have to hold your Bitcoin Bull in Best Wallet. They needed a multi-chain wallet to partner with. They've done so with Best Wallet. So if you hold Bitcoin Bull in Best Wallet and you buy during the community sale, can you really earn free Bitcoin airdrops? It says yes, your Bitcoin airdrops will be sent to your Bitcoin address in Best Wallet, and the amount will be weighted according to the number of Bitcoin Bull tokens that you bought during the community sale. So those are the two things that you need to know if you want to get your hands on some Bitcoin during those airdrops. And imagine getting Bitcoin airdrops to you when it's sitting at $200,000 per coin. Guys, it's going to be fantastic. Now, if you guys are interested, make sure to go check out their X account. They've got all of this information. It says last chance to buy Bitcoin Bull before launch. The countdown ends on June 30th. Here's what's coming. Bitcoin Bull tokens, Bitcoin airdrops at milestones, Bitcoin Bull airdrop when Bitcoin hits $250,000. 21,000 views on that post a couple of hours ago, right? $7+ million raised. These guys are doing a very, very good job. So make sure to follow their X account so you guys can get all of the latest information and updates as they are happening. But I am excited about Bitcoin Bull because I'm excited about Bitcoin. Let me know what you guys are excited about down in the comments below. And until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.